In this video, we're going to look at how to show the formula bar in Excel when the formula bar has been hidden, and I'll provide you with two ways that you could show the formula bar. With the first method, go to the View tab, and you'll see the formula bar checkbox in the Show group. This checkbox will be unchecked given that the formula bar has been hidden. Simply check the formula bar checkbox, and you'll notice the formula bar now being displayed. Let's go ahead and revert that back by unchecking the formula bar checkbox to hide the formula bar. With the second method, go to the File tab and go all the way down to Options and click on that. This will display an Excel Options dialog box. Click on Advanced option, and then on the right, scroll down until you get to the Display heading. Under the Display heading, you'll see the Show Formula Bar checkbox, and this checkbox is also unchecked given the formula bar has been hidden. Go ahead and check the formula bar checkbox and click the OK button. You'll now see the formula bar appearing. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.